See here. So in previous classes we discussed about okay. So wait, see this one. Cucumber. Wait. Okay, I can open Cucumber. Wait. See this. This is a Cucumber plugin installation. So now I can see this. So first of all, we can install the Cucumber plugin. Okay. So what is the installation process here? See here, yesterday actually Cucumber is not installed so many systems. So that's why we can use in the previous class we will go for what in that help. Okay, in that help Eclipse marketplace you can use that one, but that is not running. So that's why I can use this method. See this first of all automation. So you see here it is help will be displayed to you. Okay, in that help. Okay, in that help you can click on what. So click on the help. In that help click on install new software. Okay, in that help you can click on install new software. Please wait, it is loading. Please wait. Wait. See this, we can click on install new software, and after that we can select this copy link. Okay, https cucumber github. Okay, I can copy this one. I can copy this one to add. Click on the add here. Okay, work with here. You can use what add here. Okay, after adding. Okay, after you click on adding. Okay, see this will be displayed add repository. Okay, in that we can give what name cucumber and location in that. Okay, we can give here and click on after. Okay, you can give name and location. You can click on what add here. Okay, after clicking on add, you can select here Cucumber Eclipse plugin. Cucumber Eclipse plugin. You can select what select all button. Okay, you can select what select all button here, and after select all button, see this after select all button, you can click on next. Okay, you can click on select all button. You can click on next here. Okay, so next here, see this. So after it will be displayed, I say this. After it will be displayed what I accept and I don't accept. So both will be displayed in that series. I accepted what? See here. Please wait. See this. This is license agreement. You can click on I accept all terms. Okay. You can click on I accept all terms. So after click on I accept all terms, you can click on what finish here. Okay, if you click on accept, I accept all the terms and license agreement, you can click on finish here. So after clicking finish here, it shows it like this. Okay, you can trust it this one. Here you can select all. Okay, select all. You can click on select all. After select all, you can click on what trust is selected. Okay, after click on, you can select what trust selected, and then we can click on unsigned also. This is what select all here, and you can click on trust selected also here. Okay, after that it is asking what restart Eclipse IDE and apply the software update. Okay, it is asking about restart Eclipse IDE to apply the software okay software update, and you can click on the restart now. Okay, so you can click on the restart. See this Cucumber, like what any framework either at AD approach or BD approach series. Okay, please wait, it is loading. Okay, so object will be focus on writing test what human readable format typically like when then given structure. Okay, so see this, these are the questions for interview. So what is TDD and versus BDD? Next, second question. What is given? See this. What is given and when and then. Okay, see this. What is the difference between BDD and okay TDD and BDD? TDD versus BDD. I can see this. Okay, and next, what is given when and then? Okay, so what is given when and then? Okay. Next third question is what? Cucumber test execution flow. So we can give this is second question. Next third question is Cucumber. Okay, see this Cucumber test execution flow. Please wait. I can type here. So I can type here. See this. Wait. Okay. See this. See here. New column. Wait. Okay. I can give colors. Stop highlighting. See this. Okay. First question is what TDD versus BDD. Second question is what is given, and then next third question is what cucumber Cucumber text execution flow. I can give the question number 3 for interview. Cucumber text execution flow. Okay. See this. I can type here Cucumber execution flow. Okay. After Cucumber, what is Cucumber execution flow? Test runner to feature file and feature file to step definition. This is the execution flow. So what is the execution flow means? Test runner file to feature file and feature file to step definition file. Okay. So next one, I can give the another question. Scenario and scenario outline, and in that scenario and outline, you can give what scenario outline linked with the example here. Scenario outline linked with example here. We can see one example here. Okay, like feature folders. In that, I can create one para.feature file. We can see that para.feature file with scenario with linked example. Okay, so I can open this one. See this and para dot. Wait, this is what step definition class. This is step definition class, and in that step definition class, we can give what see wait features para dot feature. See this. This is what this is my para feature file. Okay. In here, see this, these are the examples. This is what scenario outline. In that we can create what examples, username and parameter. Okay, this is what parameterization here. See here, it is a parameterization here, and to divide the data using for parameterization purpose. See this. I can in examples we can divide the data username, password, admin3. In that there is one dash is there. Okay, that is what to divide the data. So it is using for parameterization purpose. It is what steps of the data here. Okay, it is steps of the data. Okay, next question. What is hooks? Okay, and the next question is what is background? Okay, what is background? And another question is how to execute the specific series, how to execute the specific feature file. So how to execute the specific feature file. Here we can explain about what hooks and background. After we can explain hooks and background, we can write what how to execute the so specific feature file. Okay, I can use this one. And next, another question is also there. What is about tags? So tags is also like that. Okay, and that's why we can create another question also. So another question is what is wait and what is sorry about tags. Okay, and next one is what explain about. Okay, see here explain about test runner class. Test runner class. Explain about test runner class here. This is one another example. This is another question. Okay, see here, these all are interview questions here. Okay, so next is what is dry run? Okay, so here see these questions. After that, what is dry run? And another next question. How to please wait? Dry run. We can explain about dry run. Okay, so why use for dry run? Okay, and what is how? Okay, next one is what? Next question. How to use the data table in Cucumber. Actually, this question is very important in Cucumber. So how to use the data table in Cucumber? This question definitely interviewer ask the okay person. So that's why this you can prepare this all this. So that's why we can explain about okay one by one. So questions. Okay. Next, so Cucumber test execution flow. What is the Cucumber test execution flow? See this. So question is what Cucumber test execution flow is the question here. So what is the Cucumber test execution flow? So Cucumber execution flow starts from test runner class. So test runner class. After that flow is in test runner class to next what feature file and next feature file to step definition. Are you understood? So Cucumber test execution flow is starts from test runner class and flow is a test runner to feature file and feature file to step definition. Okay, feature file to step definition. So this is correct or not? So we can see in okay. Please wait. I can give answer notes here. Okay. So please wait. I can show the notes. Okay. This is what test runner class. So flow start from where? Test runner class to test runner class to feature file and feature file to step definition is there. See this. Already I can give the notes here. See this one. First one is start from where? See this. See, wait. See this. Test runner class to flow is start from test runner class to feature file to what? Test definition class. Okay. This is what Cucumber execution flow. This is what Cucumber execution flow. You start from User valid credentials. See this, it is start from where? Wait, the Cucumber test execution flow is start from at the time of the execution. So Cucumber test execution flow. See this test runner class to feature file and a feature file to step definition class. Test runner class to feature file, step definition class. This is what Cucumber test execution flow. Okay, please remember this. Okay, this is very important question also. This is very important question also. Okay, test runner class to feature file and feature file to step definition class. This is what execution flow starts from here. Okay, after that, so our next question is about what is the question execution flow? So actually we can use it for this one. So next one is outline is linked line with the example. See this one. So I can explain about this one. So para feature. Okay, I can open this. This is what scenario outline. This is what examples here. Scenario outline and examples here. This is what to divide the data. Here we can with the multiple sets of data parameterization. Here we can use the topic as parameterization purpose. Okay. So see this parameterization purpose. We can write this examples. What is the examples? You can divide the using for parameterization purpose. Okay. So username and password we can divide with the dashes to divide the data. You can use that symbol. Okay, this is what parameterization and with the multiple sets of data. Okay, what is parameterization? Parameterization with the multiple sets of the data. Okay, see wait. So test execution first completed. Okay, and see this login page is there. Login functionality means this is what with the multiple sets of the data. Okay, multiple sets of the data. We can divide the data here also. Examples in examples we can divide the data. Are you understood? Okay. So what is parameterization? Test the same functionality with multiple sets of the data. Parameterization means test the same functionality with multiple sets of the data. And test engine parameterization. There are two ways in test engine parameterization. First one is what? Data provider and Excel data. Data provider we can complete in previous classes. But in that Excel data is not completed. Okay. In Cucumber, parameterization maintains inside the examples. See here in Cucumber, parameterization maintains the inside the examples. Inside the examples, see scenario and outline examples here in Cucumber. Okay, and data provided return type in test engine means what? So two-dimensional object array is the data provider return type in test engine. Okay, data and test engine series. So I can go for the next topic. What is a dry run? So I can explain next topic. So I can go for what is dry run? Okay, what is dry run? We can discuss about this dry run. See, this is also another question. So how to execute the failed test cases in Cucumber? Okay, this one and how to use the database table in Cucumber. These two are very important questions in interview. For interview. So interviewer definitely ask these two questions: how to use the database data table in Cucumber, and how to execute the failed test cases in Cucumber. Okay. Now I will discuss about dry run. Okay. See wait. So what is the dry run here? See this one. So after creating a feature file, after creating a step definition methods, okay, after creating a feature files, in that feature file we can write what Jenkins structure, Jenkins keywords. What is that? Given, when, and then. Okay, these all are Jenkins keywords. These all are Jenkins keywords. So see this step definition class. See here, I can open the step definitions. So in that commas dot I can open. See this here. I can erase. Okay, I can give vendetta into comments here. Okay, I can give the vendetta into comments here. See this. I can give the vendetta in the comments. So it is single comments means so slash and star. See this. I can remove one slash here. I can remove one class here. Okay, these I can put this one when statement when valid username password into comments. Now I will go for what commas dot feature. Okay, in that feature file we can run as see here. Right click on this. So given when then structure will be displayed. There are 5 methods here. 5 methods here. Only 4 methods will be I can run in the step definition class. But here there are five methods. One method is missing here. So first one method is missing here. So that's why, so missing method will be displayed in this yellow color. Like, okay, this yellow color, I can click on this. Is step user definition. So the right click on this. First run as what? Cucumber creature. Run as Cucumber creature. See here, it is example will be displayed in console. So which step is missing here? That will be displayed in the console only. See here, scenario. So verify commerce functionality with what credentials here? It is open the browsers, no problem. See, I can close this one. See here, console. So when will it be displayed? See this, you can implement missing steps with what snippets below. So when at the rate of user enters the valid data, it can be missing here. Okay, missing steps in the snippets below. So when method is missing here, that's why it is running in the, okay, it is running in the console. This is what, this is a this is a dry run. Okay, after creating step, see this, after creating feature file, after creating a step definition method, okay, we can missing one step in the step definition class. So that's why that file it is missing or not, we can check in the commerce.phr. Okay, in that commerce.phr we can go there, and it so missing line will be displayed like error. That's why what it is shows a yellow color. So after that we can right click on that, right click on and run as what, Cucumber feature we can run as that. So, okay, the user should navigate to my account page, and then the user should come to welcome page here. Okay, see this, user navigate to my account page, and user should do the welcome page. If you remove first one test case in the commerce feature, that when will be line will be displayed like yellow color. So right click on that, run as a Cucumber feature. So in console you can implement the missing steps. See here, DryRun is any missing step in the shown feature file. So if you run the feature file, missing is visible. If you run the missing feature file is visible after implementing step definition methods. After implementing step definition methods, I am going to run the feature file here. Okay, after implementing the step definition method, I am going to run the feature file here. Is there any step is missing or any step or method is missing? I need to verify this. Okay, after implementing the step definition methods, I am going to run the feature file. I need to verify the step is missing or method is missing here. So based on this missing, we can write what? Step definition class, step definition method in step definition class. Okay, so any method is missing or any step is missing, I can write the code into the step definition methods. Okay, step definition class, we can write the step definition method. See here. Okay, see this one. So okay, this is what, test runner class. Okay, and next one is what? See here, feature, and run as what? Cucumber file. See this, after we can creating that, there is no, after we can creating for when in the step definition class, it is running. Okay, it is running, dashboard will also showing, and browsers will be launched here. I can close this all browsers. Okay, and see here, so there is no output will be displayed in the Cucumber. Okay, see this. So I can go for login feature. See this, I am go for actually commerce.feature. I can run as. See this, I can open with. So see this, it is opened or not? Okay. See here, there is no error. That's why it is displayed. Run as what? Cucumber feature. So it will be running and it will be opened all the browser pages, and I can close the browser pages. Okay, I can close that browser pages. See this here, there is no output. Why means all methods and all steps are created. There is no any method. Okay, there is no any another method. That's why it's showing like this errors. Okay, all here all methods are created. Okay, all methods are. If you missing anyone, that is go for the dry run here. Okay, if you run anyone, that is go for the dry run method. Okay, so next. So see this, this is what, this is for background. So background means, see here feature check form functionality, and background is what? User is login, like a username is password. See this here, we can go for what, login is also there, and login is also there. Okay, this is what checkout login. So if you click on the logout button, definitely first we can click on what? Login button. So if you don't log in, don't log out is not possible here. Okay, if you not log in there, so logout is not possible here. That's why we can write what? So for using background, okay, for using background here. So VHS background here file, and check on the home page functionality here. Okay, and after that background is using, see here, no commerce page. I can open this one. Okay, I can open this one. And let's see here. Okay. So logout link. If you log in is possible, and after that logout is possible. So in duplicate methods are allowed here. See, these duplicate methods are there. So in scenario one, in two scenarios are duplicate. If you remove the background one, so user given username is same, and given to launch toolbar is present username is also same. Both usernames are same. That's why duplicates can be stored into one place. The place is what background here. So common steps are maintained in one area. So common steps in both methods. So I can maintain in one area. The area is name is called what background here. So login and toolbar is present. Both login and welcome link and dashboard link. Both methods will be can both steps will be stored into one place. The place is what background here. So okay, common steps are stored in one place. So common step welcome link steps and dashboard link steps. So both can be stored in one place. The place is what background. Okay, the place is what background. See this background. Okay, so this is used for this welcome link, and the dashboard is also used from these methods. So given, and then when these are all stored in one background method, and from there we can access what welcome.link, and we can access what dashboard.link. We can access for methods from the background. Okay, that's can be stored into the one background one place. The place is what background. Okay, so see here, what is the definition here? Here definition is like common steps are maintained in one area. The area name is called as background here. Okay, the area name is called as background here. See this. Okay, how to run multiple processes? I can background. So background is what? Background is a step or group of steps. So background is a step or group of steps that are common to the all scenarios. Okay, that are common to the all scenarios in a future. Okay, see this one. Background is a step or group of steps that are common to all scenarios in a future. Okay, is defined as once in a future. So this is defined in once in a future and runs before every scenario. Okay, is defined once in a future and runs in every scenario. Okay, so I can be stored into the one background place and you can access from there. Okay, welcome link and dashboard link both are accessing the methods given when and then. Okay, methods you can access from the background page. Okay, so see here already same this topic is repeated in our Java. Okay, so why use the backgrounds is to avoid repeating. So using background is for to avoid repeating the common steps in every scenario. To avoid repeating the common steps in every scenario, that's why we can use what background here. So same we can see in what methods function also. See this, these all are contains what method same name. See this without inheritance, same this one. Okay, m1 m2 m1 m2 m3 m4. So this is what here reduce the code of the red. What is the advantage? Reduce the code of the redundancy and reduce the length of the code. So okay, we cannot use before inheritance. Okay, if after we can create inheritance, it will be displayed like this. Okay, you can use what extends keywords. I can store in access the A variables from B and B variables access from C also here. Okay, so all that methods we can place into one place, and that place we can be accessed from the class. And this is follow the inheritance. Okay, this is also following the inheritance. See here. Okay, so next see this. If a background name we can see this. If a background name and feature. Okay, feature name. So feature name and step definition name. So both will be matched or not. We can see this one. So given is what here. So given is a feature. So see this given is what given is a like a jerkin keyword. So this keyword is matching with step definition keyword. So both keywords are matching or not. See here one notice will be there. So notice what we can change the method names here. We can change the method names here and a feature file identify the method name based on the feature file identify the method name based on the what keyword and description. Okay, feature file identify the method name. Feature file identify the method name based on the keyword and description. So we can write in the feature file. So given method. So that name that will be displayed in the step definition class or not. Okay, both methods we can check this. Okay, it is matching. So without you can give like a given. Okay, you cannot give right in the given. See, this is the structure. So if you don't given like you can use another one. So it is 90% error is coming. So that's why given when and then structure is what? Jerkin structure. This is the jerkin futures. Okay, this is the jerkin futures. So in next class we will discuss about another topics. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Okay, so thank you everyone.